Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. While using MS Teams, often people ask how to upload a document or an image on MS Teams. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it, either while using a laptop or the mobile. But before that, kindly don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click the bell icon. Let's begin with the laptop. First of all, you need to download the Microsoft Teams app. Once it's installed, you have to log in using your Microsoft Teams ID. So once signed in, you will simply double click on Microsoft Teams icon. From there, you will click on the team where you want to upload the picture or the document. Like here, I have entered a team and there are different channels here. I'll, for example, click on the channel named English. Here, I will click on the new conversation tab. And when you'll click on this new conversation tab, you will see this interface. Here are different types of icons. You will click on the second one. If you hover your cursor over it, you will see attach. So it means you can, by clicking on this icon, you can attach or upload the picture or a document. So here there are different options. If you want to upload the picture from your computer, you can click on the last choice, upload from my computer. Or you can use OneDrive, or you can even browse Teams for that purpose. If you want to select the picture or image from the computer, you need to have it already on your device. Click on upload from my computer and then choose from the relevant folder where you have saved the picture. Like I have saved it here. Double click on that to select it, and now you can see the picture has started to upload. Then you have to click that send tab and the picture would be posted to the relevant channel where you want it to be posted. In the same way, you can upload any document or you can attach any document or file present in your computer. Or you can take it from OneDrive, or you can take it from and attach it from Teams or any other channels of the Teams. So it's quite simple to do it. Now you can see when once the image or file is posted, you can even download it being a teacher and check it later and then upload again. Now let's see how to do it using a mobile. Of course, you need to have the app on your mobile. In the app, click on Teams, enter the relevant team where you want to upload the document or the picture. Then click here, and from that icon, you see here there's another icon of camera. Click on that. It will give you two options, either to take a photo or to open the photo gallery or the photo library. If you choose take photo, you can directly take a picture and upload it. Simply you will click on that option and then you will see the camera of your mobile taking the picture. You can simply click it and attach it to be posted. In the other case, you can simply click on the open gallery option or the library option and then choose the relevant picture that you want to post. Then click the done tab. Now you can see the picture is being posted. You send it and then it is finally there. This is how you can easily attach a document or a picture using your mobile. If you like this video and if you feel that it has added to your knowledge in some respect, kindly don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, most welcome. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Stay home and stay safe. Thanks for watching.